Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to view YouTube watch history. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me, and show you how to do it. Alright, click on YouTube and click on right corner your profile, history, click on and all your history. Alright, and click on three dots right corner, pause watch history, clear all watch history, and manage all history. This short history, click on, хуя не click on it. This short, scroll down, shorts, long video. That's all, and and search history. Click on search. Alright, that's all.